Making your new dog into your best friend. Dogs are unlike any other animals you can own as a pet. They love you unconditionally, cheer you up when you are down, and want you to love them as much as they do you. This video will tell you how to make your dog's life as amazing as it deserves it to be. Keep on top of fleas. Not only can fleas cause infection in your dog, if one is swallowed, your pet can get tapeworms as well. Speak to your veterinarian about the best prevention method, but remember that this is not a one-shot deal. You will have to continue your efforts over the life of your pet. Make sure you are informed of what flea treatments you are using for your dog. There are ingredients in some of them that can risk cancer in your children. Talk to the vet to determine if there are other options for your dog. Always be prepared to pick up after your dog with a scoop and bag. Although most people think that this is simply a polite thing to do so that others don't step in it, your dog's excrement is actually hazardous. It contains a bacterium that can contaminate local supplies when it washes through to groundwater. Be a good neighbor and discourage your dog from barking, unless he is alerting you to danger. Most people get used to the sound of their dog yelping, but others find it a constant annoyance. If your dog barks often, consider talking to your vet about what could be causing it and how you can put a stop to it, for everyone's sake. All of these hints are now at your fingertips, so it is time to make use of them. Take them each, one by one, and start using them every day. The more you change about your dog's life, the better it will be overall. A happy dog makes for a happy owner, after all. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.